Hi, I'm Curtis with OPENTEXT CYBERSECURITY. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to explain, demonstrate, and show some of the data operators available in ArcSight Search. In this example, we'll be using these operators to help simplify, filter, and sort the information returned in our search results. Here I've already run a search with the intent to find all the places where some of my internal devices on the 10.0 network are communicating with destinations that I don't know about or that are not within expected networks. In this case, I've eliminated my 8.8. asterisk, my 10. asterisk, my 192.165 subnet, and my 172.16s. And this is the traffic that's left over. I can see that all of the destination addresses are outside of the subnets that I eliminated. I want to improve this information and make it a little easier for me to read, though, so I can use my stats tag to count the number of events by source address and destination address, and then rename that counts event as number of events, and I only want to see results where the number of events is greater than 1. And there we go. Using my various filters, I've been able to take my large data set and, without leaving the recon search, simplify and improve the readability of that. I appreciate the time that you've given me today. For more information on ArcSight Search, please contact your account manager to schedule a demo or check out the links and resources below.